Hobo? Okay. Alright, welcome back to the stream, everyone. Hopefully my thumb stands up straight, which it did, thankfully. So today, again, grinding more EXP on RuneScape. So what we have right now, so we do have, what is it, the search stockpile feature done. And that does give us the result in terms of stockpiles. So that's good. Then we have to kind of search them. So how does that work? So we're going to go to this, and here is the fulfill stockpiles function, which we haven't started working on yet. Last time we finished off last stream with the search stockpiles. That gives us the list of stockpiles. So that's pretty cool. So with fulfill, what we must do then is to make a list of, we get the request. So let's just see what the request is, just for reference. On the map. Let's see. So it doesn't show up here. It can still show up here. Okay. So what we just did is to set the cargo boolean up there so that we can use it later. Pretty neat. How way to do. Otherwise, Cheetos, really. So, let's go back. This one does spit that out. West. So put this form, put the few lines down so I can see what I'm doing. And nice. Let's just get the form of beast. Now that we've navigated to Frisia, we can start spawning in the magical carrot. See here. Nice. Alright, so it spits out what it needs there. So we're then going to compare these to what the crates can fulfill. I'm gonna try to find like some cool math way that we can do some things. Like if there's some like prime numbers that we could use. I don't think we're gonna use the snipping tool for this part. Okay, so let's just copy out the result. So this array is what we're being fed in. So we can understand the needs and cost analysis. Right, that makes sense. Rural Elfcania. I agree. Out. Alright, so you got an array here. Alright, new chatter John. John asks, what is your favorite dish recently? I think the best dish that I've recently had is seafood linguine pasta. Definitely one of the best options. Especially if it's made fresh. That's the most important part. I understand that for a lot of people, like, that's pretty easy. But what that means is the fulfillment array basically determines stuff. Step 0.1, we are going to start melting the butter in our pan at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's kind of below the smoking point. That's kind of what we want. Second, we really want to add oil. You want to make sure that it's an oil with a higher smoking point because we want to get it to a slightly higher temperature than normal. So if you want to use olive oil in this step of the code, and just make sure that you set the appropriate temperature. Yeah, John. Yeah, that makes sense. So if you don't have that at home, just make do with what you have. A lot of older recipes make do with things like tallow, fat, or even like pork fat, which is cheaper in some countries, but around here it's really not. Quite rare to get something like lard. Here we wanna I actually don't really remember how the packing is dated in the actual crate. So here it should say something about crate packing. Okay, it's not very helpful, but not precisely what we want. Sure. So it's in the format of the type. We're comparing index 2 to index 0 here. Very cool. Then next up we have freeze. What? Oh, okay. That's the name, first name, second name, length, width, height, orientation. Excuse me. I remember it being pretty simple. Yeah, we had something like this. Should it be temp type, open packing? This one returns a array. So we want to use open packing for this step. So I'll just give a note to myself. So we need to take load crate then. Load crate. Bulk stockpile. Or stockpile some. Should be here. Unless it's glitching out. Okay. Close to the bottom. That's a bit unfortunate placement. What are you gonna do about that? So once we have the stockpile here, I'm gonna take load crate. And with the packing, we can simply use it since it's just a number. So we will make sure that it's here. Do we already have load crate? Let me see. Yeah, we do. So then we need to call load crate. Right, nice. Next, we'll take stockpile list. And the crate name's always first. So we're gonna take ISO 0 into O. It's not a 0. Imagine it works. It'd be a smart program. It'd be annoying, so it needs to know context. Interesting, maybe, to have like a neural network do like a smarter, even smarter autocorrect. It won't really be 100% accurate though, but it would be interesting. So load crate here. Next, we want to look at all the. Or just look at that packing. Actually, we can do something pretty smart. We don't have to keep loading. So, great. Quick name equal stockpile list. ISO 0. It would do not equal. It does really easy because string comparison is the same. We're pretty happy with that. Same with Python. Python slower. So we have this, and then we want to check the packing. So here, stockpile says unpack crate. Yeah, so this basically does wait, what? What did I just edit? Hey nippers, Nagase, what's up? They're coming? Oh dear. And lows. I have burrito. True. I agree. Do you have any restaurant recommendations for where you are at right now? What is this part? Navy curry and navy burgers? Interesting. In your opinion, what is the best conveyor belt sushi restaurant? Or casual one? I'm having a tough time deciding to pick one. Here, temp crate. So we're gonna open the packing. Packing doesn't give us stuff though, right? Didn't even return anything. What? Oh, that's for that. Stupid. Okay. Open packing. Ah, I see. I'm not too sure if like soy sauce selection makes that big of a difference. Like I obviously know there's like a quality difference that I can taste, but in terms of actual flavor wise, I'm not too sure about that. Dessert selection? That's pretty cool. Oh, okay. I might have to spend maybe like 2 different days trying each of them if I could fit them into my schedule. Been packing this one. Very epic recommendations, though. That's good to know. It's actually really good to know. I'll definitely pick that then. Some people are pretty taste blind, but I can acutely sense quality of fish pretty well. Kind of annoys me, but get what you pay for all the time. I see. Makes sense. Kyushu style? That's cool. How does it differ from the average soy sauce? Damn. Going for that demi-glace style. I believe this is second good. Ninth of one. Oh, also sweeter. Yeah. Slightly sweet's also my preference, hopefully. Some places use it to mask bad fish. That's pretty cool. We're packing. The 100 yen fish meal. Gonna be very distinct. And crates. Open cart. Yeah, it's a pretty big difference. Per pack. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'm really not worried about the price that much. Since if you want to eat sushi here, you're still gonna have to pay more for that, regardless of quality. Yeah, I guess I'll go with that. I just wasn't too sure because a lot of people on YouTube were being very contrarian. Like, oh no, this one's actually the better one. No, you see, this one's the better one. What do you usually get when you go? Name one. Depends on your mood. Makes sense. Yeah, that one sounds good. I've had something similar before. It does taste good. Can confirm. Yeah, of course. Sometimes you're feeling different things. That makes sense. Do you have any other recs for, like, casual chain places? I have many competing ones. Yeah, squid. Dang, we do have the same taste. That's crazy. I would also order that. Yeah, I can or wait. Okay. And Burger King. True? Definitely not really gonna aim for those though. Generic ones. Too much. Burger King. Truly the fastest so fast. One thing I'll have to practice saying is to ask if they can get rid of the dressing off the cabbage. As one of the people I'm traveling with hates anything with vinegar in it, except for sushi rice. I've also been grinding a lot of kanji with good success. So here. Fur packing temp site. Oh yeah, fur packing is not an array. What? Oh, it's just the 0th index. So here, most important ones are going to be 1. These are basically the same, actually. Except for 9. Just need to do if 9, and then anything else I believe is underscore. And it skips over the rest. That's very useful. So here, we only have one special case, and this is for the combined cartridge and magazine. Otherwise, we are going to have the fulfillment array. And what this will do so we're going to have a little studio array here. This one's a bit interesting because it's a bit of a disjointed 2D array because it doesn't have like the same shape. Oh wait, no. This one is not meant to be like that. We are going to then maybe let's in. What is it? Magazine. Ometa. Oh, we actually want an index of which request it corresponds to. The request is right here. We're going to be looking at name 1. So, fulfillment dot is going to be the first one. Yeah, so this is not gonna work because already like this. The filament array. This is gonna be the ith one. Sorry, cur packing. Hopefully that makes sense to me. What else? We can also make a nice little snack. Packing 1 equals west jth of 0. I believe. And then packing 2. 0 actually. 0 quest. What did the last one? Damn, I am not not being very consistent with those names. J for 0. This is going to, what is it? Insert J inside in 2D array format. Very cool. How I'm gonna make this work is let's actually look at the crate again. 2 temp 9. What is name 1? Name 1 is stripped packing 1. What? Great packing? Oh, that makes sense. Because that was a integer. And it's getting pretty cold again. The post-exercise buff has worn off. I feel like I really need to work on my heart to pump blood. I feel like a cold-blooded animal, even after walking an hour every day. So... that's name 2. Okay, so it's a cartridge magazine format. Makes sense. We're gonna do something similar here. Var 1, var number 2. This gives us the index of what we need. Num1 equals J. That's not going to happen. What will happen though is when we have anti, you want name1 1, name 2, sorry. Cartridge first, always. J2. Oh wait, being stupid. It's actually here. I'm gonna do this again. Oh, I already did that. So here we're gonna find the is 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's cool. After that's done, we start to do fulfillment array. Yeah, we have to do it like this. We actually don't. Being stupid. Second. This equals num1. So what we're going to do here actually is we're going to do if num1 or if num1 equals -1 or num2 equals -1, 1 equals -1, 2 equals -1. And that guarantees us the first check is simple. Okay, that's better. The filament array, that makes sense. So this is basically most of what we want already. Now for the next problem. So we already have this part. We have opened the packing to see what's inside. And we've already have the array of cargo needed. So next we want to fulfill these requests. Quantity 2, quantity full. Interesting. What does that mean? So we're gonna simulate this on our wizard board. The wizard board was actually released 2 years ago. It's a very, very powerful PCB. Retailing for pretty cheap as well. Of course, we're very cool people who really enjoy tinkering, whatever. My favorite part about the wizard board PCB is that you can actually code down the spell slots in assembly. It's a really neat feature. I ordered 2 Thunder Runes from Amazon yesterday. They were on sale at 50% each. I'm not too sure about the buyer. Hopefully they come out as legit. Because nowadays it's really hard to get something. I don't want to make an oscilloscope or deal with like resistors or anything. But what I really like is just having the Thunder Rune that's pre-programmed to 7 volts sinusoidal. At 60 Hz. 60 Hz is pretty generic, but it's easy for the Thunder Rune manufacturers. That's 32. Oh, okay, so it actually has the quantity. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so we have our Belf round, and then the ammunition tin. See? I like how it slides, it has that outline pretty easily. Maybe I can make it a bit longer. A little bit. Doesn't seem to be correct size for the frame. Anyways, we get this value here, this value. That's quantity 1. Sorry, that's 3. That's the third one, and then the fifth one. So that's 2 and 5. Now it's 2 and 4, respectively. Yeah, our cargo system is taking shape. Very nice. Right. So you can do that. I've never used this part of the code editor before. So then here, request. So we use the biggest ones to get kind of fulfilled first. Sense. Okay, so we have a quota to fulfill first. Alright. The Nagase. Alright, so we want to kind of fulfill the demands separately. But what we need to do now is to make a few different quotas. So if you can see here on this canvas tab, right here, how the requests are portioned out is you can see the type and then here, whatever that is. And because we want like a dynamic system, obviously we could just be lazy and then give everything in terms of clips and magazines combined. But the problem is that that's not really how real-life logistics actually do work. So what we can do is that we can actually have a separate request list. So we're gonna make that right now. And what this is it's a clone of request. And then we're going to search through request 2. And we are going to take each number and match them. So we are going to match request to I gonna be I sub 2. So if it's 2 or 3, what we can do here is we can start to get Oh wait, it should actually be 25% of magazines only. If it's for both cartridge and magazine, that doesn't make sense. This is going to be 25% of magazine cells. It's also easier for us to calculate as well. So request to I sub 1 equals request to I sub 1 divided by 4. And we're going to take the floor of that. Also, always going lower doesn't hurt. You might have to adjust, but that's just my instinct. That seems good enough. And then we do request itself. We have it's I sub 1 minus request 2 I sub 1. Alright, that's pretty simple. Oh wait, no. It's minus equals. Oh, forgot that was an equation. So we have to do the minus and the sign at the same time. Yeah, I do this in MATLAB. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to fulfill this request. Actually, we're going to do it within this. That makes the most sense. I was being like, wait, I just have to do that again. You can actually save that space. So here we are going to search through the stockpiles. So fulfillment array, we are going to do if fulfillment array for j in fulfillment array. If fulfillment array okay, dot size is greater than 1, then we are going to compare if fulfillment array, that's gonna be j 1 equals I. Then if that is finally the case, we are going to we're gonna do the smallest crate that we can do. But it really depends on how small that crate is. So for I'm gonna open Jace of I here. This makes sense. Temso crates, open packing, stockpile list Jace of I. So we're gonna get the packing that we want. What? Oh, okay. Over here. So this is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That should E minus quantity full as well. The quantity full is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So we're also gonna do +2 I1 minus temp . For packing 5. So this is the value that we want to use. Cool. Yeah, this isn't like especially difficult. It's just a bit of mental work on the brain to remember where everything is supposed to be. And even if you do have a list, you still have to look at documentation. I kind of have semi-documentation on my other screen right now to help me. Still a bit of a trouble when you're trying to speak at the same time. Request to minus 1 minus E5. Done. They're packing 5. This also depends on how many there are. Close 5. Fulfillment array. Base of what? Base of 2? 1 or 2? 2 is greater than 0. We can actually do a while statement. So, while... what should we have? Minus 1 over 0. Okay, so we're shipping that. Very nice. That's just for that one. Pretty crazy. And then after we're done, if there's not enough, then we have stockpile lists, or quest. Minus, or it's plus, plus 2, minus of 1, minus of 2 actually. Minus of 1? Oh, it's a quantity. Okay. So now this should be fulfilled. And then now we have to do the separate fulfillment. So this is going to be starting our second phase of cargo fulfillment. Actually, it might be an interesting challenge. The reason why it would be a bit of a challenge is, yeah, I'm actually not sure what to upload yet, or update it with. We also need some. Okay. So var results. The result is also going to equal stockpile list size. This is a monster function in terms of brain text. You're grinding. We are grinding. Plus equal 1. Oh, this is also gonna deal a blow. Whatever else we need. Reason why that is. Yeah, so this is num2. Wow, okay, my brain hurts. Let's put this definition in. We also have to minus num1. Request. Request. Alright. Doc. Go. Int. Array. Jace is 0. Alright guys, we're playing Inception. This hurts. This hurts a lot. Read up comments everywhere now. Minus the cent. This times this. There we go. Alright, that hurt. We managed to get that part though. Okay, this is gonna be part of it. Cool. Request filament array, J0 packing. So once we have those curve packings, then finally we can go to next part. Is here. Now we do this, but for basically all. Now this is just for the normal request. So we're still gonna have to add some of that flavor text here. That's I think I have to set the stream language next. YouTube did not push the stream at all to anyone, despite this actually being a decent stream for once. I actually prepped for this stream. I think I've actually done that for quite a few. Some of them have been successful. Anyways, back to this. So now I have to search each and into every part. So J sub 1 equals so this is for if I want to do it to equal 1. This is the ideal. Then here we only need one. This should be 0. West. This is just how many packings we need for each individual part. Sense. Yeah, we don't need that. Alright, so we've got that down. So hopefully, this works. So, you need to refill the results as well. Hopefully there's a Godot array fill method. That's relatively simple. Fill. Result.fill. Fill stockpiles. And then what it's going to take is cargo queue.size, apply boolean, what's the cargo queue again? Hmm? Oh, okay. Fill stockpiles, cargo queue. Oh, I see. Cargo suck queue. I'm gonna fulfill stockpiles of first cargo queue 0.request cargo. Something like that. Alright, let's go. Anyone spot a cool spot? What's this? Right? Used to be. I think I should compress my supply team. Doesn't make sense to have so many units. that don't do much. You can have multiple trucks in the same group. It'll fit. Okay, those guys are rolling. Now they kind of add up correctly, which is good for us. So 0 goes to 3. 1 also goes to 3. On 0, we're going to add 5 of a crate. So I add 5 of a different crate. Also going to do the same for 1. Okay, so 2 different packings here. One packing. Okay, something broke, that's expected. What? Let me see. Okay, something went wrong. Huh. Ammunition's in, 5, 5, 10. Did we load the correct packing? Okay, that is the packing now. Strange. Very strange. Alright, I think I'll take a break here, and then we'll head to the Discord to hang out. But yeah, thank you all for watching. See you all next time.